Hey guys, yesterday I got the Revell B-24D Liberator. It looks like this. Can you guys see okay? Let's see if you can see the box. Getting a good view of the box. Part's loose, I think. Did you all get a look at the box? Well, I'm just about to take the plastic off of it. Ready? Ready for me to open it? There we go. There we go. Here we go. Okay. This was a $40 model, which I ended up getting for $25 because I have the discount coupon. And I got this thing at Hobby Lobby, and there's a way to access the discount. So let's do that coupon. Oh, let's see here. You got the fuselage halves. Figures, which I don't really put in. Clear parts. Miscellaneous parts. Like landing gear parts, bomb parts, all that. So I'm modeling this thing with the gear up. Along with that, we've got wings and bomb racks. And turrets, too. Whoa! Dude, you gotta let me get these things out of the box. More parts. Let's see what else we have here. Decals. I knew you knew it. To start off with, I'm going to do Jerk Snatch Roll. And if that fails, I'm going to do Fightin' Sam. That's one thing I like about models. I mean, there's an alternate version you could do if one version fails. As seen here. This is the decal placement for Fighting Sam. And there's Jerk Snatch Roll right here on the bottom. once again, I'll be doing Jerks Natural. To start off with. And I'll be doing Fight and Snap. If that fails. Okay, I'll put the parts back into the box. Put the plastic wrap in there too, as a means of extra protection when I'm working. And I'm going to close it off. Close the box. Okay, let's look some more in here. See these bombers up here? I firstly got the B-29 back in December of 2013 when I debated between the B-24, the 17, and the B-29, so I decided to get the B-29. Then I paid for the model and I took it out of the store, that is. Then eventually I ultimately decided to get the B-17 so I could feel a little safer at night. Plus, I wanted it too. Let's leave that one. And along with that, I've got this B-24D Liberator. All of which are scale 1 to 48. And of all of them, the B-29 is the biggest on my ceiling. I had a hard time hanging it. Well, I had an easy time hanging my B-17. I have a feeling I'm going to have an easier time hanging this model here, the B-24. Well, that's all the time I have for this video. Thanks for tuning in. I will see you on my construction progress for this thing. Goodbye.